What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness coming at you with another unboxing video. Got the new Element RC Enduro. This is a new brand backed by Team Associated. This is their first truck. It is a scale trail truck. Got a lot of cool features and stuff. I'm gonna take it out of the box, show you guys what it looks like, go over a couple of the unique features of the truck. So let's go ahead and check out the box and get right into it. All right, guys, here we're on the front side of the box. It's a totally new truck with a new brand, backed by Team Associated. So we got the gray truck here with the gold rims, new tires, new body, new everything. This is the Enduro truck. On the front here it says we're including LEDs. Not much other info other than a cool picture of the truck. I'm gonna flip it over to the bottom side here. Got a little bit going on here. There's a few pictures of the truck. These are the LEDs included with the truck. The new Method and General tires. I have driven this truck before it was released. They seem to do quite well. It's all in the details. We got headlights, mirrors, really nice looking grill, bumper setup. Probably easier to see over here. We got some mirrors, window wipers, nice looking grill, bumper with the winch hole. I can see a bit of a radiator back here. So really nice on the scale points there from Element. Moving down here, it does require a couple AA batteries and battery and charger for the vehicle. So this is ready to run, but without battery and charger. Additional features, we got two-piece cab, clear windows, molded grille, replaceable headlight lenses, pivoting mirror, LED lights, realistic styling, 1.9 by 465 general tires, Method rims. So we got a lot going on here. Can't wait to get it out of the box. Let's see if there's anything else we got. Flip her around for you. Looks like we just got some fine details over here. Bunch of different languages and stuff. Another cool picture of the truck. We got ready to run, 10 scale, 4-wheel drive, electric, off-road, pre-painted, and it's a 2.4 radio. Basically everything to expect from a ready to run scale truck these days. Out of the box. The whole transmission, the biggest thing here. So this transmission is unique for this truck. It's got a built-in underdrive, overdrive. You got stock. You can change basically the gear ratio on the inside of the transmission. Stock is set to 5.7% overdrive. Option 2 is 11.83 overdrive. And then you can also have no overdrive. That's 50-50. This is unique to this truck, completely new setup. So all the underdrive and overdrive is taken care of in the transmission. Actually, I think it's just overdrive, no under in this one. So all in the transmission, not the axles. So that's a little bit unique compared to Traxxas and Axial. I'm going over here. We got the aluminum steering link and plates. We got a Reedy crawler motor. This is, let's see, 16 turn, so a little bit on the speedy side. Reedy speed control. We got the integrated servo winch mount, so you can get a servo winch and they only give you a spot for it, which is pretty nice. So you can use that winch lead in the bumper. Threaded aluminum shocks. It's nice they're threaded and don't use the clips. Much easier to adjust. And let's see, we got just a basic servo here, metal gear, water resistant, 6-volt. Looks like they give us 173 ounces. So not bad. About on par probably with Traxxas and Axial. Maybe a little better. We'll have to see in the running video. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Packaging is cool. They even got a packaging on the inside here. Really went all out. Slides out pretty easy here. Let's see if there's anything else. The inside of the box is actually a kind of a garage. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of cool, little door, garage bay. Nice touch there. Set that aside. We got the truck. Oh, got some stuff underneath here. Let's see what they give us. So we got some body posts, a battery tray, SUV type body on there. Battery tray, not sure. Oh, there's looks like a servo horn in there, a couple little pivot balls and stuff. We got your manual, some stickers, separate manual for the speed control, some nice stickers. Open those up so you guys can see them real quick. Looks like they got some nice scale stickers in there. Yeah, look at that. They give you all kinds of nice scale stickers, license plates, for sale signs, Bigfoot. That's pretty cool. Lots of cool stickers in these. I'm gonna have to order some of those separate. Nice touch on that one. Good job there, Element. I like that. So we got the truck and the radio. Appears to be underneath it. We're all taped in here. We got, what radio do we get? Alright, so to be expected, basic Team Associated XP digital radios, XP 130. It's all plastic. This fake carbon look to it. Wheel is foam. This brake disc there. So your basic controls. Probably a decent radio. Feels okay. Pretty much on par with everything else. And got a manual and a bind plug in there as well. We got the truck. Looks like he's zip tied in there. Good thing I brought my scissors. Go ahead and cut the ties. And we got the truck. So looks like a pretty sweet looking truck. Do a nice slow-mo for you guys here. Nice color. Oh, looks like our mirror. Looks like they fold in and out. There's that grill, scaled look. See what the tailgate looks like. Nice bumper, plastic bumpers, really wide. Tires, pretty soft, feel pretty good. These do appear to be beadlock wheels, which I didn't see on the box. I must have overlooked it there. Go ahead and take the body off. Looks like we just got basic 4 body clips. It's our LED lights. Looks like we just got headlights, no taillights. And it is a 2-piece body bolted together. Mirrors held on by clips. But pretty nice body, pretty light, so it shouldn't be too top heavy. And we got ourselves the truck. So we got, looks like we're coming with all metal links. Appear to be the same rod ends that we find on the associated racing cars or buggies, B6, B74s. They seem to hold up pretty good. Got a plastic drive shaft with, looks like steel ends and then a aluminum insert. So half metal, half plastic. Front axles. The steering link. Let's see, flip it upside down here. It's like the steering link runs behind the front axle instead of in front, giving it a more scale look. Keeps it from getting caught on the rocks. Looks pretty good. I'll give you an underside run through. Looks like our battery is set up for a shorty pack here up front. That must be why they give you that other battery piece, so you can run a full-size pack. Whether it mounts in the same spot or back there, I'm not sure. Transmission looks pretty beefy. Lots of gears in there for the overdrive setup. Looks like basic bumper mounts, slide in and out, like axial and Traxxas. C-channel chassis. Threaded aluminum shocks, feel pretty smooth. Got the little center caps. Wheels feel pretty good. So it's a nice looking truck. Feels pretty good. Looks pretty solid. I'd say it's pretty comparable to the Axial truck more than the Traxxas truck. But it seems like it's going to be a really solid competitor here for Element, coming out strong. Now this Element is part of Team Associated, so it's not a completely new company, just a new brand that they're using for their scale stuff. But all in all, great looking truck. Should be a pretty good competitor. You can check out more details on our website, rcmadness.com. We'll have it on display in the shop. Come check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.